Welcome to day 4. For the last 72 hours, your primary goal was defense. You blocked the noise, endured the boredom, and learned to appreciate a slower pace of life. You have successfully repaired the foundation. But a detox is not a permanent state of isolation. You didn't clear the static just to sit in an empty room forever. You cleared the static to build. Today, we shift your mind from a state of passive input to a state of massive output. We transform your brain from a consumer into a creator. Most people believe they are productive because they can answer emails, listen to a podcast, and sketch out a project at the same time. This is a cognitive illusion. Every time your attention jumps between tasks, a portion of your mental energy stays trapped in the previous activity. Scientists call this attention residue. When you multitask, you are essentially running your brain at half capacity. True cognitive output requires the opposite strategy, radical isolation. Today, we practice the art of single-tasking, giving 100% of your current processing power to a single objective until it is finished. Here is your structural blueprint for the next 24 hours. The 90-minute creation block. Pick your highest leverage goal, whether it is writing code, designing a system, or studying a complex framework. Clear your workspace entirely. Set a physical timer for exactly 90 minutes and do not allow your eyes to leave the task. No checking tabs, no shifting to easy subtasks, and no pausing for breaks. If you hit a wall of creative friction, sit with it. Force your mind to solve the problem rather than escaping it. The first 30 minutes of this block will feel incredibly difficult. Your mind will fight you, begging to switch to an easier task. But if you hold the line, something extraordinary happens around the 40-minute mark. You enter a state of flow. The friction dissolves. Your processing speed peaks, and your brain begins to thoroughly enjoy the act of hard problem solving. The pride you feel after 90 minutes of pure, uninterrupted creation is a biological reward that no screen scroll could ever replicate. Your directive for day 4 is non-negotiable. Execute one flawless, 90-minute block of pure output today. No inputs, no multitasking, just pure creation. It is time to find out what you are truly capable of building when your mind is clean. Drop a comment below marking your entry into day 4 to protect your streak. Subscribe to lock in your daily progress, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5, environmental architecture. Stay resolute